Bum, bum, bum. Hello. Welcome back, students. Parents. This is addressed mainly to parents. Please, when your children are learning the alphabet, you are many times going to put them onto YouTube and go A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. No, for the love of everything good, do not do that. You're not helping them. You are actually, you are causing so many problems you do not understand. All right? Please. So I just want to say, go through this. A, B, C, D, 4. Stop, breathe. E, F, G, same thing. Stop, breathe. E, F, G. 8, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, 4, L, M, N, O, P, 5, Q, R, S, 3, T, U, V, 3, W, X, 2, Y, and Z. So again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. All right. Please. It's important, yo. It's important. All right. Now, another thing. If you're teaching your child how to read and you're beginning with phonics and just depending on where you are, like English is so vast and complicated, guys. But I just want to draw your attention to pronunciation of some words. So when you start, L, A, K, lake, all right? M, E, me, ice, ice, O, up, go, G, O, go, mute, mute, W, I, Y, ant, ant, egg, egg, in, on, under, study, study. All right, please have your child or your student write these down and practice them. You want both of them. So again, lake, a lake, me, ice, ice, go, mute, you, mute, yeah, why. You get the point. Guys, goodbye, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm here to help. If you have questions, if you're at a certain stage, if you need help, ask, all right? I'll be uploading videos every day, and yeah, follow me on my TikTok. I'm new to all of this. Not new to teaching. Been teaching for about 10 years, plus minus. Guys, I'm here to help. Have fun.